Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. It's been a while since I've uploaded a video or gone live. I'm trying to play catch up right now with some of my commitments for my projects. So a lot of these project shares that I have for you today is for KSCRAFTs, and this is for the month of April. I just been having some personal stuff going on here at the house, so with the family. So yeah, anyway, let's get into it. I'm going to start with this embellishment book that I started creating with Luisa on one of the lives. This is her cut file. It's a perfume bottle mini album, and I turned mine into a shaker, and she's full. So this whole thing is her cut file. And yeah, I just loaded the mini album with some of the KSCRAFT dies that came out for April, and some I also embellished with the March release also. So this is the front, and then let me open this, hopefully. There we go. And then also on the live, I made these, I started to make these polish shaker bottles. And these are for the month of April. So are the fashion words. And I just attached them. All of these embellishments are attached with this double stick foam, these mini dots. And I don't think I got them at Dollar Tree, but I don't know if I haven't seen them lately. This is some shaker beads I got from Luisa in one of my Happy Mail. And this is the Recollections. This is rainbow beads. So there you go. And I don't know, I think this Recollections, is that Hobby Lobby? So I use it in a lot of the shakers. As soon as I got it, I was like, oh my gosh, that is so cute. So this is the fashion words from the April release. And where did it go? Here we go. Let me just recap on the dies that I'm using. This is the cute nail polish bottle shaker. That's right there. You get 2 styles. And then this is the shopping bag shaker, the large and the small. And this one is the high heel shoe bag topper, and you'll see that in a minute. I did not make them bag toppers. I created embellishment pieces with them. And then this is the heart sunglass memdex. I used that, and you'll see that coming up. And this one I only made 1 bag topper, and you'll see why. This is the purse top bag topper. Very cute bag topper. And then here are the fashion shadow words. Oh, I didn't write it down. Darn it. You'll get trendy, fashion. I'll point them out to you. Glamour, influencer. I should have wrote those down. I'm so sorry. And then this is from the March release. I also played with this, but I only use the large paintbrush. This is the large paintbrush. These are the March release, didn't get those little fancy labels. So this is the April. Okay. And then the next thing I've created was the banquet wrapper. This is very, very cute, very easy to put together. This is the 3x3 card and envelope maker. I did create with this one, and it comes with some sentiments. I think it's thank you, this for you, and love you. Those are the sentiments that come in this little card set. And then this is the high heel shoe mini album. Okay, so all of that I got to play with, and let's get into the rest. So here are the nail polish shakers, and then these are the little shopping bag shakers. And what Luisa and I were doing, we were working with spring into craft, so that worked out perfect. And my theme was also incorporating fashion into spring, and it worked out pretty cute. This is the large shaker bag, and this is the small shaker bag. These are Hobby Lobby, Dollar Tree butterfly stickers, and the sentiments are from KSCRAFTs. These chipboard stickers are from Hobby Lobby. They're like chipboard. And then I turn those into shakers. And again, I just attach, well, actually, these are just attached with a small little tiny dot of hot glue. I got that from Luisa's Ideas. And then here's the high heel bag topper. And like I said, I made it into embellishments. And here's another word from the fashion words, catwalk. This one had the little fancy sentiment on it. This was on it. I took it off and put it with the nail polish. And then I put the catwalk here with the high heels. How cute is that, right? I love that. And then you have the other pair over here, same thing. I also used the Hobby Lobby chipboard flowers to add to my embellishments. So those are just embellishments that you could take off. Whoever's using it could take it off and use it however they want. And then here are the heart-shaped sunglasses, shaker, and it says looking good. This comes with the Memdex. I love it. Look at that. And again, I just popped these up on some foam tape. I did actually add my words to acetate to just make it sturdy so that when I glue it down, you know, the other end won't be popping up. So I attached it to some acetate, and I did use some orange. I love it. It looks like sherbet. I did some foam here, orange foam, and I double layered that to give it an extra thickness. And I did add some of those shaker beads in there. Oh my gosh, I overloaded these glasses, but they're cute. And then here is the handbag topper, bag topper. And here's another set of words from the fashion, so stylish. And this is a bag that was gifted to me with some Happy Mail. And instead of putting the handle at the opening over here, I put it at the bottom. And then you could put some goodies into this little baggie here, probably a dangle. And then you could close it up. And you still have that pretty little bag topper intact. So yeah, I left that as a gift. I love this. It's so pretty. And it looks like a little purse. Look at that. Right? Isn't that so cute? Okay, so I put all of that into the mini album. Again, I'll leave the link for Luisa's coffee shop. That's where you can get this SVG file. It's for purchase, guys. I think it's only $2. I might be wrong. But here is the high heel mini album. This is to be a mini album, but I made mine into a card. And I added the base layer to the back of the card. This is the another set of sentiments from the fashion words. And yeah, I added some foil here and some peach seam binding, and I pulled out my flat backs and I added that to the bow. And I thought that was just a really pretty shoe. And when you open it, I took the base layer and only attached it to the back of the card. And then I added another set of sentiments, you're fashionable, and added to the inside. So it opens up like that. So I took the second layering piece and cut it out of cardstock, but I folded the cardstock like it was a card. And then I just left a little piece of the shoe hanging off so that it doesn't cut, and it'll give us a hinge. And that's what created my card. And with this, you can leave it standing. You could stand up on the table. And glamour influencer. I know I am not one, but it's so pretty. Isn't that just a beautiful shoe? Okay, and the next thing I played with was the 3x3 cards and envelope set. And look, this is the envelope. And the set comes with a liner, so you could put the liner piece inside. And then here is the card I created. Here's another set of the sentiments. It says, hello, gorgeous. And then it comes with the liner piece for your inside of your card. And you can write on flat cardstock or flat paper, because my paper or cardstock that I used is textured. You can see the texture on there. So I put some flat cardstock on the inside. And I just stuck my little handmade by. And it was such an easy card to make. Oh my God, so perfect. And then here's the second one that I created. And this one just says thank you. This is part of the 3x3 card set. And I didn't add any foam. I just layered 3 different colors of cardstock on here. And I used that layering piece that was on the inside of the card. I used it on the outside also. And then I added the plain cardstock on the inside. So I think this is a beautiful card making kit. And you could cut out some blanks and give it as a happy mail, or you could make them like that. One is thank you, and one is, what did I say? Hello, gorgeous. So there you have it, the 2 cards that I made. The last thing I put together was the little bouquet. And I used the Just For You from the March release. These are the craft words. These are, the words are handmade with love. Hello crafter, just for you. For my swap partner, enjoy my friend. And it's a pleasure swapping. So I used the Just For You on the front of this one. I added some seam binding. I did glue it on the back. And I made a little simple bow on the front and glued that down. Added my little pearl flat back. And I did glue the tails a little bit. Just put a dab here and a dab here. And then these are just left my tails loose. And then the last thing was the paintbrush. Look at that. All of these are from the paintbrush die set. It comes with all of the foliage. You also have some drip, some paint dripping on here. You don't have to add it, but I did. You got little butterflies on here, branches, different types of branches. I think there were like 3 styles of branches that were included and 3 styles of flowers. And I really just layered whatever pieces. I didn't match it. And then I just added some bling to the middle. And I thought that was just beautiful. And I did take some seam binding scraps on the bottom because there's a hole there. And just pulled it through and then took another scrap and tied them into a knot. And then I added this other flat back right at the knot to cover up the knot. So it looked like that. And I intended to stick up into the little pocket just like this. I made a small bouquet. It doesn't look like much. I glued everything onto acetate. It was mainly to just decorate, to fill in the gaps basically. And the acetate made it easy to add the flowers on there. So it looks like this. I mean, I really love it. Okay, so that's all the projects that I've been trying to catch up on. I'm so sorry, Hannah. Just this month has just been a little bit difficult. Lots going on. And at the end, once I get all of them cut out, this is a fashion, just like I said earlier, when Luisa came out with this perfume bottle. It fit perfectly with Hannah's dies that she released in April. And I wanted to load the mini album up with some goodies. And also these guys right here, I wanted to include them into our little book. But I don't see where I could add it. It's so full and it's so pretty. So I may or may not do a giveaway on this set of dies because I really have nowhere else to keep them, guys. I'm just overloaded in this room right now. So if you're new here, I might do a random, anyway, if you're new here, welcome. please hit the subscribe button and join our crafty family. While you're there, hit the notification bell. That will let you know when I load new videos like this or when I go live here on my channel. And to my constant supporters, thank you so much. Thank you. I do try my best to respond to all the comments, and I really appreciate you interacting with my little channel. We're about to head out on the road to Ohio, and I don't know when I'll be back. So just stay tuned. Just hit the notification bell and make sure you you have it, you know, clicked or checked. So again, I may or may not do a giveaway on this wonderful setup right here. I would love for one of you all to win this amazing collection. So again, thank you, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.